Most people who build their dream cabin imagine living in it for years. But when this modern jungle cabin was finally completed, its builder never moved in. Instead, it became the first prototype of a business. Designed by entrepreneur and digital nomad Sasha Juliard, this project was created to prove a design that would later welcome Airbnb guests and allow others to build the same cabin. The project began on an empty hillside in the Costa Rican jungle. Before construction could begin, the land had to be cleared and prepared. Since the site sat on a downhill slope, the ground first needed additional structural support before the foundation could be built. Large support columns were installed to stabilize the hillside and create a solid base for the structure. The cabin was built around a steel frame made from iron pipes. This structural skeleton provided the strength needed before the remaining materials were added. The concrete floor created a durable base. Corrugated metal roofing protected the structure from Costa Rica's tropical climate. While wooden wall panels slowly transformed the steel frame into a modern living space. cabin's most striking feature is its ocean-facing glass facade. Large sliding doors blur the line between indoors and outdoors, filling the interior with natural light and uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. Behind the cabin, raw sand, soil, footpaths, and plants were carefully added to help the building blend naturally into its environment. Despite its compact size, the cabin includes everything needed for a comfortable stay. An ocean view bedroom sits upstairs, while the ground floor features an open kitchen, bathroom, living area, and covered outdoor space. Working 6 days a week with 4 construction workers, Sasha transformed an empty hillside into a fully functional modern cabin. The project took 3.5 months and cost around $60,000. If you'd like a cost breakdown, visit Sasha Juliard's YouTube channel. And if you're interested in building this cabin yourself, you can find a detailed 27-page construction package, including structural, plumbing, and electrical plans, through the link in the video description. Sometimes, the first building isn't meant to be a forever home. It's meant to prove an idea. Every build has a story. Every story becomes a file. Subscribe to Maker Files, and I'll see you in the next video.